Okay, so unlike earlier days, now hardware are fast. So hardware fast in the මේ වගේ මේ data එකක් collide වෙලා so data collision එකකින් පස්සේ retransmit කරන එක එච්චර ලොකු දෙයක් නෙවෙයි දැන්. So it can be done easily. ඒ වගේ නෙමෙයි දැන් මේ random ඉඳලා එහෙම ගියාම වෙලා යනවා. ඒ හින්දා ඉතින් ඒගොල්ලෝ හැප්පෙන එක ගැන වැඩි හිතන්නේ. So they are just transmitting without waiting random time. If case of collision, retransmit, that is easy. So these local area networks or the LANs in local area networks, Ethernet uses this CSMA CD method, right? CSMA CD method. Okay, so with that, the particular part of the book is done, right? Okay, broadcasting, unicasting, we discuss about this. And this subnetting, yes, we discuss about that as well. Packet switching done. Yeah, IP, UDP, TCP done. DNS, HTTP done. Okay, now we have to do these two parts, TCP IP model and 611, which is related to security, and then the technological stuff. So with that, the particular part is over. I just need only okay, next day we can finish this part. I'll introduce this TCP model, OSI, ISO OSI model. So that I'll introduce today, right? And TCP IP model. Then we can finish this part and the 611 next day. Private key, public key, sign in, and the cryptography, encryption, decryption part, and the viruses part that we can finish next day. And next day we can just do the 612 and start discussing the papers. I think 1 or 2 days, maximum 2 days, right? Okay, then let's try the subheading. The next part, it is ISO OSI model, International Standardization Organization is called ISO. ISO සහතික කියලා කියන්නේ තත්ත්ව සහතික, අන්තර්ජාතික ප්‍රමිතිකරණ. නැත්නම් තත්ත්ව සහතික තත්ත්ව පාත්තා ගන්න ආයතනය. International Standardization Organization. They have a model that is open system interconnect. Open system and interconnect. That is called RI, reference model. Why it is a reference model? It is not actually there. It's a conceptual framework, right? It's a conceptual framework. Conceptual framework that will explain how data travels in a network. It's a conceptual framework. සංකල්පමය ආකෘතියක්. ඇත්ත එකක් නෙවෙයි. ඇත්තටම වෙන විදිය නෙවෙයි සංකල්පයක්. සංකල්පමය ආකෘතියක් කොහොමද දත්ත data යන්නේ කියන network එකේ. And this has 7 layers actually. 7 layers. So what are the 7 layers? You can either tell all people seems to know data processing. That is one method of telling this model. All means like application. This is how you remember, right? So it's okay to write down, right? The first layer is application. The second layer is presentation. But this is a trick. Don't write the trick in the exam, right? Exam එක ගිහලා trick එක ලියන්න එපා. Trick is only for you to remember the layers. Session, transport, network, data link, and physical. There's another way of remembering these layers. This is top to bottom, bottom to top. Bottom to top, you can say, please do not throw sausage, pizza away. That is bottom to top. So you can use either method, right? That is physical, data link, the network. So anything easy to use, please use. Transport, session, and physical, sorry, presentation, and application. Okay, these are the 7 layers that we are going to discuss in ISO OSI model. Either we will discuss top to bottom or bottom to top, right? In each layer, there's a specialty. What will happen? Some task is there. So in each layer, so I'll give you that as a small research topic, but I'll discuss, right? I'll give this as a research topic just to involve, engage, and find out information. But next day, I'll definitely explain that. So let me view this as a small question. Right? But just search this and find out answers. Later, in the next day, we can discuss, because so still we will be doing only 1.5 hour session, but with the revision, so we will be changing the time, right? So we will be changing the time for the revisions. Like my plan is to do from 5 to 7, 2 hours. So when we start the revision paper discussion, it will be like 5 to 7. And then the theory class for 2022, it's 8 to 9:40, 9:30. That is the theory class for 2022 batch. That's why. And actually 7 to 8, we have special session. That's why I'm not doing from 7 to 8. That is after starting the paper discussion, right? For the moment, I'll finish early, but next day also I'll finish early. But after finishing the theory, we'll shift time to 5 to 7 time. If it is difficult, please let me know. If 5 to 7 is difficult, please let me know. Then we can arrange it other way. The theory class we can do earlier, and then go to the practical session. So sorry, this revision class. Revision class we can start by 8 to 10. We can do that in the night time. So whatever you prefer, please let me know. I can start within the time. Okay. Write a question. Find out features of each layer. 2 features enough, right? Protocols working in each layer, and features in each layer. Protocols work in each layer, and features in each layer. Protocols work in it, and data format. Data format. Maybe you can say packet, frame, etc. in each layer. Try to find out. So these things. Just do a small search. It's not a research. Do a small search to get this information. And be ready by next day, and we'll discuss 2 models, TCP model, IP model, and this model. And after that, we will be shifting to the security, encryption and decryption. right? That I'll show practically how encryption can be done, how decryption, how cryptoviruses work, how blockchains works. So that is for the last, that is additional knowledge. I'll discuss that part next. Okay, till then, good night. See you all next week. If you come for the theory class, please join back by within the second link by 8 p.m. right? Okay. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Come. Bye.